All right. Yeah. I think today is December 11th or 12th. 40 something degrees out. What a beautiful day for a winter ride. A Christmas wonderland of happiness. You know, people ask why I like to ride in the winter, or why am I crazy enough to ride in the winter. It's not that I'm crazy, it's just that I absolutely freaking enjoy doing this. I wouldn't care if it was 2 degrees and I felt like I needed to ride. I'm going for a ride. As simple as that. Oh, this lady taking away one of my favorite turns. Jeez. Oh well. What do you do? But like I was saying, I mean, as long as you dress alright, it's not that bad. I think the only things that actually bother me are my hands. Last night I rode, it was 29 degrees, and I had to run my hands under hot water for like, I think it was like 10 minutes before I got any feeling in my fingertips back. Holy shit. Hey, there's some cows over there. Squirrel! Like, the truth of it is, like, if you enjoy something, you do it. It doesn't matter what's going on. Like, I don't care that it's cold. I love riding. The sun's shining. It's 40 something degrees. I dressed appropriate, so I'm going to go enjoy it. I didn't buy a motorcycle to say, hey, I have a motorcycle. I bought this shit so I could ride it. Don't be a pussy your whole fucking life. And that's why does everybody say, like, don't be a pussy? Because pussies are tough. They're the toughest things I know. Like, don't be a ball. Because your man gets kicked in the balls, he goes right to the ground. You kick a woman in the fucking vagina and she just stands there and looks at you stupid. Anyway, I digress. Yo, go enjoy life. Go do what makes you happy. Sitting at home and staring at the TV is miserable. Of course, having your family is very important. Don't neglect them, ever. But if you have time to go enjoy, go enjoy. If you don't have a family, go enjoy all the time. That's the point of life. Experience. I tell you, listening to music while vlogging on a motorcycle. Man. And stuck behind this slow ass thing. I love the looks I get. I swear it never gets old. Like, look at this guy. I know he's got to be freezing. No, I'm actually pretty warm. It's not that cold yet. Let it get down into like the lower 30s later. Then I'll be cold. Oh boy, it's an oldie but a goodie on right now. Can see right through me. Go up the depths of my knees. Yeah, that was illegal. I think this is Stone Temple Pilots. Like, hands down, like, great 90s band. A single time. Let me know down below. I think it's Stone Temple Pilots. Yeah, that's the spot where you might see. Yep. Makes me want to ride 100 mile an hour at the Jasper traffic. Oh my God, everybody's trying to go home. Yo, the road construction in this town right now, they're putting in a new water main. Oh, I just wish they'd get this done. I'm so sick of it. Kind of sucks. I got a text message. Ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving Walmart. I really need to fix my clock. 7:50. It's fucking cold as shit out. Super awesome out. Oh no, my gloves on and I can't turn my music up. There we go. Okay, it's working. So at least I went to Walmart and figured out everything I want to buy people for Christmas. Walk around for a few hours. What the hell not? I don't feel like sitting at home. I got a nice ride. So I guess this whole video is just about being cold. I guess that's about it. Riding a motorcycle in the cold, which my cousin Ken, yeah, I'm talking about you, Ken Step. It is not that bad out right now. All you need is the right stuff on, and it's like riding in the summer but without the heat. It's like having air conditioning and your damn leather and your helmet, except my nose gets cold. Yeah, missing out. Gotta ride in the winter. I'm following a semi down the road. Do I know why? Hell, I don't know. Because he's in front of me and I can't do shit about it, because I don't want to pass him, because it's too dangerous. Can't wait to get my windscreen. It's going to make riding so much better. Because right now, literally the cold wind is beating the shit out of me, which really ain't that bad, the cold wise. It's the damn wind beating the shit out of me that sucks, especially off of this semi. But hey, thank you guys for watching nonsense number 2. And why do we like nonsense? Because it's so fun in your helmet when you're talking nonsense to yourself. Yeah, that was my montage for my video. Hey, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and videos, because you want to be nice, and I'm out here in the cold doing this for your pleasure. It's like, no, I'm out here doing it because I want to ride. Yeah, later. Now it's time for me to listen to some music and jam out.